Hi, today we will see how to use this MCP Analyst server to analyze your local CSV files. LLMs have gotten larger context sizes now. You can upload huge text files. However, it still lags behind when analyzing large data sets, something that has billions of rows. So today we'll see a data set similar to that. So we'll be using this Indian stock market data set for our demo. Coming back to the analyst server. So MCP ecosystem is quite rich and allow you to integrate with multiple data stores. This particular server allow you to analyze your local CSV files. So for installation, you need to install UV, which is needed to run Python. And then you have to configure your Claude. And you don't need to clone this repository to use it. All you need to do is add these instructions and a dataset location. So I have downloaded the data, and as you can see, it has 4 billion rows in it. I have configured my MCP server to use this dataset. So let's look at how it looks like. So my Claude is already initialized and has the server. So let's see how to use it. Let's start by asking what data files can you access. It will ask you to confirmation before using the server. Just need to say allow for this chat. And it tells you that it has access to these files. That's great. Now, how much stock data do you have access to? So now it has picked a file that it wants to access, and it will be querying that data set. As you can see, we have access to stocks from 1990 to 2022. So I know that SDFC has been very long-standing stock on Indian stock exchange. So let's ask how much data do you have for bank stock? That's great. So we see data for HDFC from 1995 to 2022, and it has found other stocks as well, which is great. So let's ask how much did HDFC Bank stock grew from 1995 to 2025, approximately 10 years. It had extracted data and then computing some things to give us insights. That's great. It has CAGR of 29.89%. That's great. Can you tell me 3 other stocks that have performed better for the same time range? Now this is a little bit complex query, and it will have to execute multiple things to get the data points. Let's see what it's trying to do. It's trying to figure out things. Yeah, it is still trying. index query to execute data. It has found the data, now it's processing the data. And this is great. It has found few other stocks with better CAGRs, and yeah, Infosys and Wipro are quite famous. So yeah, this is how you can use MCP Analyst server to analyze your large dataset files. Thank you.